Pull me up some rock, whoa, fill it to the top, whoa. Getting bent 7 days a week, that's a lot, whoa. New chain, that's a lot, whoa. Too drippy, get the mop, whoa. Counting money, bloopers only, just know that's a lot, whoa.
Skxppy.
Alright, so it is 8:30 in the morning and I am sick. So I have tissue for my nose and some tea. Word. But yeah, if you don't know, I'm Skxppy and welcome back to another video. Word. So the other day, I was in the studio with my cousin, amazing singer. Her name is Shayla Tamara, and we was trying to make some R&B tracks because she's an R&B artist. But I didn't really grasp the R&B feeling that day, and I feel like it's because I've never really explored slow, vibey, you know, music. I'm used to making fast trap beats, you know, hard 808s, hard kicks, you know. I was a little out my element, as you would say. So today, I'm taking it upon myself to teach myself how to make R&B music and or neo soul. Weird. So in this video, you're gonna watch me learn how to make R&B. Hopefully you learn as well. Cause why watch a video of somebody learning something if you're not gonna learn it too? Weird. So without further ado, we gonna get to this. In 3, 2, 1. Alright, cool. So we all know the first step in learning something new is research. So I'm gonna use the app that you on right now, YouTube, and I'm about to watch a couple videos to learn how to make some R&B chords. And I want to start off with chords because I feel like that's like the foundation of every beat is those chords. You feel me? So we about to hop in and get some knowledge. Alright, cool. So my computer's working, which means now I can do my little research. So this is what we all do. You feel me? Hold on, let me.
We all do this from time to time.
Alright. And then now I'm about to have fun watching about 10 of these videos to see. So let's get it. Alright, cool. So after opening up the chord, alright, cool. So after watching a bunch of videos, I feel like I know how to make some chords now. So I'm about to open up FL Studio, and we about to get busy. Word. Oof. Stuffy, boy. Ooh, that nasty. You do it too. Alright, cool. So 2 things before I start. Number 1, I need new headphones because this thing get me tight. Number 2, let's get into it. So I'm gonna open up my beat making template. I have some notes down here. You feel me? Not too many, just the chords. So what we learned today is in R&B music we use 7th chords. Word. So major 7th, minor 7th, the dominant 7th, and then there's also the 2-5-1 chord, which I'm pretty sure is probably just the major 7th chord, but just a little bit more specific on how to do it. We're gonna get an instrument and then we're gonna hop in there. And obviously, you know, we want some piano. So what's this up here? So I'm gonna start off with a C. I know I'm making mad noise, right? But I'm gonna start off with a major 7th chord. Open up the piano roll. So basically, we're gonna keep it simple, stupid, and we're gonna go on a C. Oh, I don't know why I felt like that sounded out of my headphones. We're gonna start off with a C chord. So we're gonna skip 1 white note for the chord. So it's gonna go 1, 2. Oh, my bad. I was counting the black ones. See, look, this is why we learning. This is why we learning. Work. But Yeah, so we're only gonna use the white notes, which is gonna be this, you feel me? Those are the only ones that you're counting. So the C is 1, D is 2, and A, B, C, D, E, word. And then E would be 3. So we're gonna plug in on E, and then we're gonna go skip another white note. Boom, and then we're gonna skip another white note. So after we did that, we have a major 7th. So let's count again, just for the people who didn't hear me the first time. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you're putting on the 1, the 3, the 5, and the 7. So your odd numbers, you feel me? Word. And that should sound like this. I don't know if I'm banging with that. And why it sounds so low? Sorry, I be having a lot of technical difficulties. No cap. That shit sound mad low, bro. This is a 7th chord. Bang, bang, bang. Pretty simple. But now we about to turn it into that R&B. Word. Alright, cool. So, boom. We got the major 7th now. I had to put it down an octave lower because the higher octave just didn't sound R&B to me at all. But in this octave, it sounds like this. Word, that's the trick I learned. It wasn't the 7th. It was the 5 note. We bring it down an octave lower, and it's just as that. This is me just learning. This is me testing stuff out and trying to figure it out. You feel me? Word. Wow, it didn't get pressed. My bad, my camera wasn't on. Now that we have this 9th major chord here, what we're gonna do is pretty simple. What we're gonna do is take this G, bring it down an octave, and it's gonna change it to this. Just a little more love to it, you feel me? Word. Word. It's a different kind of love. Now I'm gonna rebuild the 1st chord. So we have the major 7th again. And all I'm gonna do is highlight it and bring it down 1 semitone. Boom. Oh my god, hold on. Oof, my nose is running. Since it is your nose running, well, you better wipe it. Ha. Alright, and then now I am going to make this 2nd chord a dominant chord. That's what I learned. Let's see. And I know I could go up here. Yeah, there we go. And I can get a... Wait, is it a major?
See how it sounds a little intense? The reason why.
Alright, cool. Now we about to flatten it. All you gotta do is take this down. Take the top of it down, then boom. Ooh, sound nice, doesn't it? Work. Also, I want to try something. Ooh, you see that? Alright, so what I like to do is I like to take the 5 and I like to move it an octave lower. I don't know why, it just does something to it. Work. So now I'm gonna come back. I think I'm gonna get a minor 7. No, I'm bugging. Am I? Let's see. I'm gonna try a minor 7th, and we're gonna bring it up here. Wait, so it's gonna be this. Only thing I don't like about that too is that you can't move the individual things. It's like stuck together. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of weird. But boom. Okay, so not a minor. Alright, cool. So I've been working hard, man. I've been working hard on this chord progression. It took me about 10 minutes to make one of my own. I didn't want to follow the video all the way through. I just wanted to get like the first part and then end it off like me. So, boom. Basically, oh, loop off. Thank you. What are you doing here? Nobody asked you to be here. Are you detached? Yes, you are. That's why. Cool. So basically, with this chord progression, what I did was I started off with a major 7th or major 9th. Yeah, I started off with a major 9th, but I brought the 5 note. So 1, 3, 5. I brought this note down an octave. Did the same thing here. I did a dominant 7th. Then I brought the 5th note down. Same thing here. Major, 5th note down. And then over here is where I kind of just started winging it. But this is what it sounds like. Oh, but this is what it sounds like. That's beautiful right there. That's beautiful. Word. So that's how I made a chord. Boom. I use major sevenths. I didn't use a minor seventh. I used a dominant seventh. I used to use the major ninth. But the one thing I feel like really solidifies the R&B role is taking that fifth note and moving it an octave lower. I don't know. It just adds that warm, bassy feeling that you look for in songs. You know, I feel like the regular one don't have it. Like if I put it back here, I feel like it just don't have that same pizzazz. You feel me? It don't have that same pizzazz. You feel that? So you see how wider that is? See the grandness? You feel that? Oh, word. And I do feel like it's a little slow, so I'm gonna go up to like 95. Yeah. Word. And that's gonna be the chord. Alright, so thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned something here, because I definitely did. And please make sure to leave a like if you like, and if you don't, leave a comment down below to let me know how to grow. Word. And don't be a freeloader. Subscribe. This video was supposed to be a full R&B song, you know, kind of thing, but I didn't know it was going to take me that long to learn just how to make chords. So this video is going to be just the chords, the next one's going to be the melodies, and then it's going to be the drums, maybe. Alright, y'all, go use whatever you learned in this video, make your own R&B beats. You can even come and show me. I love hearing new beats from people who learn things. No cap. But alright, peace. I got this one. Yeah. I hope you don't hate me after I go. You were the one who made me. I hope you don't replace me after I go, 'cause you're the one who changed me. I hope